Excel's shape function that we learned a few videos back are really impressive, but the Smart Art feature in Excel is just outstanding. You can insert a wide variety of customizable diagrams into a worksheet, and you can change the entire look of the diagrams just with a few clicks of our mouse button. Let's learn how to insert Smart Art in a worksheet. Click on the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click on the Smart Art button. Excel displays the Smart Art dialog box. The diagrams are arranged in categories along the left-hand side. When you click on any of the diagrams, you can see its preview. It also provides us with some tips on each diagram and when it should be used. Okay, let's scroll down and select this horizontal picture list. Click OK to insert the Smart Art. We can see in this table here that the sales of 3 most highest selling chocolates are highlighted. There are 2 methods to enter the text. The first method is that you can click on the text box and start typing Dairy Milk. Instead of clicking and typing every time, you can use the text box on the left-hand side. Let's click on the second bullet here and type fudge. That is the name of our second highest selling chocolate. Use the down arrow key to go to the next bullet and start typing Tic Tac. Now that we have finished typing the names of the chocolate, let's enter the name of each company which makes them. So let's press enter. What happens here is that Excel thinks that we just want to put another box, but we don't want that. So just press the tab key. And now you can see that it just puts a sub-bullet. Now let's write Ferrero. Press the up arrow key, press enter, followed by pressing the tab key, and the sub-bullet is added, and then type in Cadbury. Let's go to the next box and repeat the procedure and type in Cadbury again. Now that we are done with typing, let's close the text box. Click on this cross mark here. If we want to make some changes, just click on this button here and we can see the text box opens again. Let's close it for now. Now click on this gray border here to select the Smart Art as a whole. Click on Design tab in the Smart Art tool. Click on the Change Color drop-down menu. Let's scroll down and select Accent 4. In this Smart Art style group, we have these various options. Moving our mouse pointer over the option, we get a preview. Click on this button to see some more options. We have some more options here, so let's give it a little 3D effect. Let's select this one here. Now it looks a little more appealing. You can see these 3 boxes on the top. This allows us to add a picture. Click on the picture thumbnail. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Click on Desktop. Scroll down. Click on Exercise File. From Chapter 4 folder, click on the Dairy Milk image to select it and click the Insert button. Now, click on the picture thumbnail in the second box. Choose Fudge and click on the Insert button. Let's do this for the third box as well. Click on the picture thumbnail, choose Tic Tac image and click on the Insert button. Let's make these 3 boxes here a little more consistent with our theme. Click on the first box. Pressing the Control key, click on the remaining 2. Click on the Format tab under Smart Art tool. In the Shape Style group, click on this button here to see some more options. And let's select this one here. Now, let's add another Smart Art, which shows us the philosophy of our company. Our company's philosophy is that quality plus customer satisfaction will lead to high sales. So let's click on the Smart Art button in the Insert tab. Let's click on Process and scroll down to select this vertical equation, which will suit our need. Click on OK. When you take your mouse pointer to the border of the Smart Art, you can see that it is converted into a 4-headed arrow. Just click and drag it to a side. Now, click on this button here to reveal the text box. And let's type quality. Do not press enter or else Excel will think that you want to add another circle. Use the down arrow key to move the next bullet. And let's type customer satisfaction. Press the down arrow key again and type high sales. Now let's apply some formatting. Let's give it a 3D effect to maintain the consistency. By clicking on the Design tab, ensure that you are in the Design tab ribbon. In the Smart Art Styles group, click on this button to get some more options. And let's select this one here. Now it looks like a 3D picture. This concludes our tutorial on Smart Art.